like this for real? Thank you, baby. I'm leaving now. I'll see you later. I'm gonna sneak through your window. Bye. Dance. Good job, black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and we back at it with another one. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We do a bunch of DIYs over here, vlogs every Fridays, new videos every Wednesday, so make sure y'all join the family and let's get into it. So y'all, I decided to make me a scrap jacket, and y'all, I made this for LA, but for some reason I did not take it, and I don't know why. I really wish I did. So I made this back in October, but y'all seeing it now because I'm just now wearing it. But I made this to go with my Yeezy Boost 700, I think Wave Runners what they call or whatever. So yeah, that's what's going on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and explain to y'all what's going on. So I am using like different pieces from each jacket and making me like a whole jacket. So as you can see, I just took the sleeve off of the black jacket, and now I'm using a pair of old scrap jeans that I used for an order, and I am basically going ahead and make me a sleeve, y'all. Like, this was very fun creating. It was different, and I know I'm not gonna see nobody else in it. So here's our other sleeve, and y'all, I went ahead and took off the little patch thing right here because I didn't want it on there. And now we just gonna go ahead and start cutting out the next pieces. And right now this is what we have, the sleeves in the back of it. So now I am going to cut out the two panels for the front. And as you can see on here, I'm just using this jacket, and we're just gonna trace it. And this material is like that really stretchy, I forget what's the name of this material right here, but it was hard to draw on basically. So I did the best that I could so y'all could see it. And as you can see, I am cutting off a little extra, and we're just gonna go ahead and trace this onto the yellow piece. Now we're going to gather these three pieces right here, and we want to sew the two tops parts together like always. Okay, so this is what it should look like after you sew it down nice and neat. And now we're going to go ahead and pin down the sides of the jacket and go ahead and sew that down as well. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. And now, sis, you should have like a little vest, and you want to go ahead and add your sleeves like so. Pin them down. Definitely recommend pinning them down. And right now we're just sewing it all together. And now with this sleeve, since we made this one, we're going to go ahead and sew this all the way down first right here, just on this part that we're pinning. And then we're just going to go ahead and attach it to the jacket the same way we did the other one. And also, sis, if you're still here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We are on the road to 5K. Help us out. And y'all, I'm just wrapping up the sleeve right here. Follow us on all social media platforms. And like this video, leave us a nice little comment. So I got this little crew neck right here. I decided that I wasn't going to make what I was going to make with it, and it ended up being scrapped, so I went ahead and cut off the waistband, and we're going to use this for the collar part. I did not get 100% detail in the collar, and of course we did not use this whole waistband part, but I am pinning it down right here as you can see, and then we're just going to sew that all together. And for anyone that needs a video on the collar, make sure y'all comment down below, and if I get enough comments, of course I'll give y'all a video on how to attach the collar. And here's the collar, nice bright and orange. I wanted it to stand out. And for the zipper, I went with something settled, and y'all, I just noticed, like, watching this video, that I installed the zipper the wrong way because it was definitely too long, but instead of putting the extra part at the bottom, I put it at the top. So I got to be careful when I unzip my zipper because it can come like right off. But this is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I love it so much. I definitely got to wear it again because it just gives, like, it's definitely a statement piece. But let me know what y'all think. Follow me on all social media platforms, and I'm out. Love you guys. Bye.